Good day, everyone. Welcome to my channel, TechOption Studio. Today I'll be talking about how you can use your desktop computer to do designs like for flyer and gifts and the rest. So what I've discovered is that some of us who are like new to AI, we don't know the advantage of these two very much well. And some of us has been using AI. Sometimes we use it for creating documents and some other things, but in this tutorial, I'll be showing us how we can use these AI tools to create a good flyer that can be for programs and events, and for different, programs you might want to do or events you want to organize, in order to be able to publicize this very well. Like flyer that you can use on social media, like your WhatsApp status, on your Facebook, your Instagram page, or your TikTok, and also the ones you can print, like to use for offline publicity, especially for those who want to do like church program, want to do like an event. And also you can use this also to design a lot of cover page for your documents without stressing yourself, without going to the banks, without breaking the banks, and looking for a designer that want to help you. For instance, a graphic designer that you want to contact now to do a flyer for you, and they start billing you like, you have to pay like 15,000, 20,000 to do a flyer for you. And after they might have billed you that kind of amount, by the time they're giving you the flyer, you might want to say, okay, please help me to do it like this, or trying to make some adjustments. Some of them will put on an attitude that you wouldn't like and tell you that how much you do pay me. Please, I don't have time for that, correcting this, correcting that. I just put what you sent to me. And sometimes some of our write-up for all these graphic designers, they are not always correct. And by the time you send it to them, some of them are not even smart enough to be able to correct it. And they just put it like that. And after they've done the program and send it to you, now be telling them that this place is not the correct thing. Say that's what you sent to me. And whereas it should affect you, but in this scenario of using AI to do your job, all those things will be taken care by AI. Even though you have some, spelling mistakes and some errors, AI is able to position it and correct it very well, and also give you clue on how you can put your flyers very well and make sure you get the best quality of your flyer. So in this tutorial, I will be showing you step by step, like one after the other, how you can use your desktop or PC to create these images or flyer for different events. But mind you, I would like to subscribe to this channel so that I can get more updates of how to use AI personally, and actually AI free tools to do all these things without paying any amount, without using one. Just your internet is okay for you with your desktop. And in my next video, I'll be also showing you how to use your smartphone to do this. At least some hours to this time, next video should be dropping on how you can use your phone to also do this as well. So it is very important to subscribe to the channel so that you can get more updates on how to use AI tools to help yourself, help your businesses. And hi guys, in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to create images, flyers, and views, as I've said earlier, using your laptop or your PC, that is your personal computer. How to use some free AI tools to create your handbills, your flyers, to save you of time and save you of costs of spending money giving to graphic designers or any other creative designer outside there. Learning this tool will help you so much to be able to create design as your own will, as you like, as the way you want it to be, to please you, to please your desire. So let's dive in straight into this tutorial. So what we'll be doing now is that we are going to first of all go to our Google Chrome. You have Google Chrome on your desktop. So what you will do there, you are going to search for charts GPT, chatgpt.com. Sometimes the system can suggest it for you by itself. Just enter. So I'm entering now. I enter. So this is ChatGPT, Okay. Sorry, let me just follow the system prompts. Oh, I'm coming. Okay, let's search for it again. Chat. System has suggested it already. Just follow what system has suggested. So this is the screen. This is ChatGPT you have there. So that is it there. So next thing, what do you want to do? Now you have the page. First thing, in case you don't have ChatGPT account, you can log in to sign up a new account. You can also use ChatGPT without signing up. This is how it will come with you are not signed up. This is what it will show. What are you working on? Ask anything. So for you to have better work output, you can just create an account with your Google Mail. Are you getting me? Somewhere here, this is where you'll be able to start. Now it starts with group chat because I've created an account before. That's why you are seeing group chat. But if you are not created an account, it will show you sign up. So you're just going to sign up with your Google Mail or any of your Gmail accounts, and that settles it. So now I'll be diving into how to use um, ChatGPT to create image flyers and be for your businesses or for the programs you want to do, for events like birthday, like a business event, anything you want to do. This will help you as fast as possible to get what you want to do done. For instance, let me give you an example. Let's say you want to do a birthday and you want to do a flyer, or you want to post something for your birthday in form of social media or social media posting like your WhatsApp, your status, TikTok, and some others like that. Also, these are going to go about it using ChatGPT as your first tool to do what you want to do in time of creating images or flyers for businesses and for events. Now, let's go. For example, for your birthday, first talk to ChatGPT like your friend. First say, for instance, like I want to design, or you can say create anyone a birthday flyer. Just say this to ChatGPT. You see what you can send it. Place your cursor on this arrow. You just press enter key on your keyboard. It's the same thing. If you respond, it will go. So, and it's a nice one. I designed the actual birthday. So now, what is it telling us now? Look at it. So it's telling us that. Can you see? See what it's telling us. It's telling us, okay, name of the flyer. I mean, the name of the person or your name that you want to do birthday, the date. So it's asking you to supply this information. It's saying I should hide the age, or you understand, and you can say +1 or whatever. So that is that. The orientation, everything just suggests it for you. So if you look at it, design the full birthday flyer, not a prompt, make a social media ready. And this, I'll just pick the first option here that it should design the full birthday flyer. So I'll just copy. I can easily copy this. Now I easily copy, Control C, and now you come to here, you just paste it, Control V, you've posted it. So now, we are not going to have to read, okay, um, name, that means name of the celebrant, you understand what I'm saying, according to the suggestion, okay, let me say Raymond, Raymond Uche, so let me say Raymond Uche, okay, now let me say, dates, for instance, dates, let me say date is 14th February, so what information again? So let me say I want to add party venue. Let me say venue. So let me say venue. Malibu. Let me say Malibu. Malibu Hotel and suites. Sorry, and suites. So that is H. And just okay. Let me say +1. And put it there or whatever you want to put. Say +1. So that's the information. So since I've done this next thing, it suggested some options for me at the end of it right upside. Once you drop this, I will design the full birthday flyer, not prompt. Now, so it won't be prompting it, to just give you direct flyer. Now, I just send it with the information I've given to it now. So the information, we send it with the same blue arrow, or I press enter key. So let's be waiting for what it's going to do for us now. So it's creating the image, as you can see. It's creating the image for us. That is it there. Just wait a few, not up to 1 minute, the image should be created. So see now, the image is coming up now. That's the image forming. So this tool really helps you to do what you want to do. In this image now, I didn't add picture or anything. You understand? So after we've created this and you see the outcome, I can make some prompts or add some things to this to change the look of the flyer. I can say, for instance, I want to add my picture, that make use of my picture. So I will upload the picture for this to be made use of. So now it's trying to generate the flyer. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see the beauty of AI? See what AI is doing for you. Imagine you looking for a graphic designer that you want to use to do this kind of design. Imagine what it's going to be you, and how long is it going to take him to do that for you. And even smart ones today who understand AI as a graphic designer, they make use of AI now to make their work faster. Now, in less than 1 minute, we've created this wonderful flyer for a birthday party. Whatever you want to add, you can add it. You just tell it to add it, and it's going to bring it out. For instance, let me say use. So I want to say I want to add my image now. To make use of my image, I just come to this plus sign here. I see the plus sign. So what I'll just do, beside ask anything, so what I'll just do is to click the sign to add file. Just say add photos and file. So I will click on add photo and file, and it will open my whatever, my file, my documents. So now this is documents I have. I want to add my picture. Okay, let me add this my picture. This is my picture. So I'm adding my picture. Open. So I'm adding my picture now. That's okay. Make use of my picture. I get it. So when I say use of my picture, it means I'm telling it to generate it again. I get it. And recreate. You understand? That's a command you are giving to ChatGPT. So as soon as you just do that, you just send it. That's all. It's just like you are giving an order to something to do something for you. This is beauty of AI. I get it. This is the make sure. So it's going to use my picture now to recreate the same image. Are you seeing now? So I'm going to use my picture. We're waiting for it to see what will happen. So it's recreating that, and less than a minute it will bring it out, and you see the beauty of AI. So with your ChatGPT, you can create a beautiful and for your event, flyers, cover page, whatever you want to do, or you have a document you want to prepare, you need a cover page for it. ChatGPT can do it for you and make it beautiful as you want. You can do it the way you want. You can add whatever you want to add. You can turn up, turn down, so you can add your children. Any picture you are sending to ChatGPT is going to make use of it to create whatever you want to create. For instance, you're a business person, you should be creating flyers the way you like for posting and for advertisement of your business. Even each of your products, you can use them to create flyer. You can snap that product. I get my point, and use it to create good, fine flyer for that product, good advertisement, and people will love it. I getting it. So it's creating my image now for what I have. I getting it. So it's trying to change the positioning of our position. So we're trying to use my image to create my flyer. I getting my point. So that is that in that area. So this is my image now. He has created it using my flyer. So I'm using my picture, sorry. So that is that in the area. And I also make this another shape, like make it a landscape. I can give it a command, make it, because it's portrait image, make it landscape. All I just use a command, make it landscape. So can you see, make it landscape. So now I've given another command to make that thing, that's flyer, a landscape flyer. So please just follow up like that and you see how it's generating. So after this, we just move to the next one I want to show you in generating image and flyers. So at first, it took a random AI image to fit into the flyer, but maybe I uploaded my image, it's change it to my image. So that's the beauty of AI. You send in what you want, it gives you what you also want as well. So it's generating the landscape format now, currently now. So while generating that, I want to quickly move to save our time while we're waiting for this. Let's say you have an event, and one of the beauty of AI is that you can tell the AI to first prompt or design, give you the script or the flyer you want to design. So you can be able to use it. I get my point. Now, this is what I want to do now. Just follow me. What we are doing is that for instance, I want a prompt, we call it prompt in AI. We can see a script as well, but use prompt for AI to quickly understand what you're saying. I want a prompt for my events flyer. Can you see now? So you can just stop there, add other information. Opening the event. I want to talk about the event now. Okay. Opening of a new gym center. Just giving an instance. Okay. What again? Name. Just so please, if you want to, okay, name, give it a name. You say Zak, Zakora Fitness. That's it. So, time. Let me give it time. 4 p.m. Okay. So let me give venue. Venue. Area 1. Abuja. Just give a venue. So just a venue. Abuja. Sorry. Abuja. So what other information again? Um, I think this information is good for the gym you're opening. I'll put the name of the gym, the time, and the venue. That is that. So um, I will not send this information. So this, if you first give me the prompts, so let me send it to give me the prompts. So, and let me tell you something about this place. For instance, we are trying to write something, you want it to be in the second line or the next line. If you want to move, don't use enter key directly because enter key will send your information to AI. So if you press shift, you put your hand on the shift button and you now press enter, to move to the next, you know, um, what are they calling it, to the next line. Can you see? You press shift to move to the next line. Can you see? So if you press enter directly, it will send your information to AI. So please note that. So now you want to send this information to AI. Is that you use the blue arrow button or you just press enter? So anyone you press, it will go directly to process the information. So now it's trying to give the prompt and the can you see now it's trying to give the prompts. So he has given the prompt AI fitness, this and that. So the title, grand opening, something like that, area one, Abuja venue fitness. So that's it. What I just want to tell you is that add smoke effect, fog, and optional option. So we're just trying to like blend it for you. So what I just do is that I just tell this thing, I just tell the AI, what I just tell it to do, I just say, um, use the above prompts to produce, you see, my flyer, comma, I will say make it landscape. That's me. So in order to generate your flyer, but I'd like you to put something to qualify this so that AI will know that you're talking about generating this flyer fully. So you like produce my flyer for posting. So it won't give you another prompt. Sometimes when you use you talk to AI, sometimes you might say a particular thing, you're getting different thing because you didn't really communicate very well with AI. You are not specific, so you need to be very specific when you are communicating. So use the above prompt to produce my flyer for posting. It means you need a raw flyer and a flyer now in a full design to post. So you will now click the arrow button to send it, and I've said it to I have told it to generate a landscape file, so it's going to come out in landscape. I getting it. So if I had not said landscape, it will automatically bring it out in portraits. So by the time I specify the kind of size I want or the way I want it to come out, it will bring it that way. And if I had said I want it in a square, it will have come out also in a square version. I mean, there is any ratio of size you have in your head, you can just put the ratio of that size, it will come out in that particular ratio size. Some people can say 16 by 9, 9 by 16, it depends, 1 by 7, any ratio you want to do. So it will bring it out for you to have it or the kind of size you want it to be. So now it's trying to bring me my flyer for my gym center that is about to be opened. So this is what I can do for you. In between or less than a minute, you are done having your flyer that will save you time of looking for a graphic designer or trying to look for, whatsoever to help you to design. Already you are done. So if you want to add more information to this, you can modify it and add more information to this. Isn't it? So I can say show more gym or fitness equipment in the flyer. I'm trying to add more information. Are you getting me? So I'm trying to modify the flyer. Okay, I wanted to add something for me. So the same way, if you are trying to do a particular flyer or creating a particular poster or handbill or a cover page for any document of your choice, you can tell it to modify it to what you want. And normally, if you're telling your graphic designer that I'll giving this job to be modifying, it will get to a point, the guy will show you attitude. I get me. The guy will tell you, this is becoming too much. How much did you pay me? So, but with AI will not complain. Just keep doing your work and you keep generating. So that is it there. So this is what I can do for you. One thing that is very important is that in our advanced class, that's our paid class, you know many of these tools you can use to do different kind of flyer you want to do. That by the time it will be coming out, you'll be wondering kind of image you want to create, kind of editing you want to do, you know, those ones they are taught in our advanced class. So can you see now is generating it again? Can you see it has added some other gym equipment if you look at it? So let me zoom it a little. Is it see gym equipment? Is there other gym equipment there? So in the former one, you couldn't see the gym equipment. Can you see? So these are the equipment. So he has added it to some. He added one to, but in the new one, he increased the number of those equipment. I get him had here, add something, add something. So increase it like that, like that. So that is it. So that's how to use your ChatGPT easily to generate the flyers you want, and then you can use it anywhere you want to use it. So you can go and practice it over and over and master it so that I'm using it. So before I go, I will tell you how to download this image. Can you see now? This is where you download it. When you press this, it will download immediately. So can you see that it will download immediately to your file, and you can go and see it later there. Don't use this share button. If you use share button, it's going to share link of the flyer. It won't share the flyer itself. So you first download before you can share this image. And if you click on the image, you can also use this save button here. Save I get me button here. So that's the advantage of things you can enjoy there. So that is that in the area. And you have access to any. See the images, how beautiful they are from the beginning, from the birthday that I did. So that's it. That's it. Can you see how beautiful they are? So that's what AI can do for you. It makes your work faster and it gives you efficiency and abundance. So you can do as many flyers you want to your businesses every day, every time to showcase your business on all your social media platform, and even print this flyer and use it for your businesses without looking around or worrying yourself about a designer that wants to do that for you. For a designer that's also smart, they're also using AI these days, to do their designs. For those ones that are still there, they are still on a long term. So that is what AI can do for you. So don't forget, hit the subscribe button. In my next video, I will show you how you can use your phone also to do this. And as well, following that, the class whereby I will show you some free AI tools you can use to do some of these things and some other works, using AI. And also, I'll be telling you in my third tutorial or fourth tutorial to this space, 7 businesses you can do, with AI that you can use to generate income. So subscribe to this channel and you see more of these tips to do your AI work seamlessly. So this is TechOption Studio, where we give you AI and complete digital work, and some other updates also will be coming up on tech that you use, in order to brace yourself up when it comes to tech. So thank you. I believe with this explanation you can go back yourself and easily create an image or flyer or handbill for any of your event that you want to do. So if you know this has been helpful to you, or this tutorial has added to you, click the like button and also give us a comment so that you can encourage us to keep doing this kind of thing and keep posting for you to make use. Thank you. I remain your guy. So next teaching you shall see, next tutorial we'll be discussing more about other things you can do with ChatGPT. Thank you.